My name is Karen and it is nice to meet you. So if you're new here, hi. And if you're returning, hello. I'm so excited. I got Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for January 2023. Gosh, they gotta get better with shipping. This whole thing of waiting till, I don't know, the end of the month drives me insane. But anyhow, I got a really decent bag and I cannot wait to share it with you. So let's talk about Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It is $28 or $28.99 plus a $1.99 handling fee per month, and then you have your taxes. Okay, you get 5 full-size items and you do get to customize 3 items in your bag. And yeah, so let's get into this. They used to send a card with prices. They no longer do that. They haven't done that in like forever. But let's just talk about this bag right here. Super cute. I love me some purple. So I do like the fact that it's drawstring. You know, these things are great for on the go, just throwing something in your purse. Use this. Love that. Okay, so I've used these products. Well, almost all of them. Okay, so let's just talk about the first thing here, which is facial radiance pads. Anytime I see these, I grab them. I just finished a jar and I just started this one, but I absolutely love these. They're great for resurfacing. They're great for evening out skin tone, especially if you have acne prone skin, anything like that. It helps. I love them. I cannot go without them. I use one of these every single night. Okay, so yeah, anytime I see these, I grab them. The only repeat I really don't care about. All right, moving on. We have, and I was excited to see this because my daughter struggled. Well, we all kind of struggle with acne a little bit here and there. Urban Skin, I've never heard of before, but this is called the Acne and Blemish Control Mask, and it has 5% sulfur in it. It says it's deep pore cleansing and it prevents blemishes, and it also has niacinamide and salicylic acid. It improves skin appearance. So I am excited to try this. We're all going to be using this baby in this house, especially if you get one of those big pimples, kind of like what I have right here. Put that on overnight, wake up in the morning, should be fine. So I'm happy about that. Okay, moving on. Shayna B, the lip gloss. I have it on. It smells really good. It's a basic lip gloss. It's not sticky. I've got a lot of them though, but this is a really pretty color, so you can kind of pair it. You can use it by itself, or you can pair it with a lipstick, and it should work pretty much with any color. Okay, moving on. I think this is pronounced Floor and B, I'm guessing. If not, oh well. I mean, I got it wrong. Nectar of the Sea Vitamin C Serum. I did use it. I would think with any serum, you would need time to see if it actually does anything. I am thinking about putting this in. Oh yeah, it says store me in the fridge. Want me to last longer. So this will go in the skincare fridge because it has vitamin C in it. Okay, but vitamin C does help with brightening. It does help with evening out skin tone. All those things. So yeah. Okay, I was excited for this. The Winky Luxe, what does it say? Latte Kitten Palette. Okay, interesting name. It's got a little mirror, but look at these colors. Yes, aren't they pretty? They do look a little bit different on the eyes than what they did in the pan. Well, a couple of them. This one here and this one over here. It's got like a more pinky undertone. I wasn't expecting that, but I do have it on my eyes. I did enjoy it. The shimmers are super buttery, but they're all really blendable. So there you have it through my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for 2023. I'll put the total value of this box on the screen. If you have any questions for me, put it down below. If you love unboxings, if you love beauty related things, yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Definitely. I've got a lot of things coming within the next week or two. It may be a little bit longer, but hopefully not. I am working a second job, so I have an additional 30 hours dedicated to that a week. So yeah, it's crazy, but I do miss you guys. And I wonder when I don't see your name down in the comments if you're doing okay. So if I haven't seen you in a while or you haven't seen me in a while, please say hello. I'd love to know that you're doing all right and you're having a good new year. So thank you for joining me for this video, and I'll see you guys again real soon in another one. Bye.